Okay, what we're going to do here is show you how to send an internal email when a lead is lost in Salesforce. So for this to be done automatically, we're going to have to set up an email flow. So for that, we want to navigate to Setup, which will open up in a new tab, and then we want to search for flows in the quick find box. Click on the flows, it'll open up all the different flows that you've got already. For this, in the top right corner, we want to open up a new flow, which will open up the flow builder in a new page. And again, as I said, we want this to be a record triggered flow. The first things we'll have to do is actually set up a trigger. For this to trigger, we want it to be obviously once the lead is lost. So for the object, we search for lead, and then to configure the trigger, we want to trigger the flow when a record is updated. Now for the entry conditions, we want this to be all conditions are met. You can search for the field. For this, we'll have this as status and equals. It will come up with the different ones. Unqualified. So this means every time you set a lead to unqualified, it will actually activate the trigger. We'll set this obviously for every time a record's updated and meeting the requirements. Then we simply just click save. And then you have to obviously label the flow. That will fill automatically. Just click save. Well, once that's done, the trigger has been set up. We need to add the actual action to send the email. So in between the play icon and the stop icon, click on the plus symbol, then click here under interaction for action, and search here for send email. This will open up the different emails. So like I said before, I'll name this as lead lost. From there, you can add the body of the email in, the email template, as well as who you want it to be sent to. Obviously that's up to you, but just fill that in as normal and click done, and then you will have an email sent automatically every time a lead is lost in Salesforce.